So it's another beautiful day up here on the roof of the Trippin' Brahini's RV. We're in Seaboing, Michigan. Today I'm going to show you how to do, it's preventative maintenance. If your AC is running okay, it's still a good thing to do. It only takes a couple of minutes to do it. But if your AC is not cooling down, definitely one of the very first things you want to do is go ahead and clean the coil on your AC. So let me show you the tools that we're going to be using. Very simple. We have a Dometic model. We'll be using a can of foaming cleaner. We'll provide an Amazon affiliate link in the comment section below. Phillips head screwdriver. You may need a flat head. I've got one of those up here too. And rag. I just have a rag just in case. But very simple. And the first thing that we're going to do is remove the screws from around the unit. This one has 4. 1 on each side and 2 on the front. Alright, so this is the unit without the top on. As you can see, we got our unit, our fan here. And on the back, you can see the front side of the condenser, the coil back there. And here's the front side of the coil. It doesn't look too terrible, but we're going to go ahead and spray it down. Now, with the foaming cleaner, it's only necessary to spray it on and leave it with any self-condensing unit, which this is. Here we have our handy-dandy foaming cleaner for air conditioner coil. Shake it good and apply liberally. We'll use our rag to just go ahead and just kind of clean off some of the excess around there. You want to make sure you're not getting it on any electrical connections or wiring, especially any exposed connections. But we'll just kind of wipe that off a little bit, put the top back on, and we'll be done. All right, so this project in total took about 10 minutes. That included setting up the ladder, climbing up there, unscrewing the 4 screws, spraying it down, giving it a minute or 2, putting it back on. Now, if your coils are really dirty, you might want to, do another. Wait a few minutes. Wait until all the foam kind of dries up and condenses off of there. Maybe run the AC for a few minutes, and then do it again. That'll clean you right up. Anyway. This is one of the simplest projects you can do maintenance-wise on your RV, or even to cool it down if you're having any kind of issues with your AC. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. Until next time, we'll be seeing you on the road.